boat take on water sometimes?
Sometimes. If you really crash it, like first time I run it, I shouldn't really have ran it in a pool because I hit a lot of stuff because I wasn't expecting it to be that fast. You know, it was a change from the crawlers.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Let's see, the first year, or the first like first couple months I broke the radiator in my off, but I glued it back on because I found it.
So is the work on this boat pretty simple?
The what?
Is the work on this boat pretty simple?
What do you mean the work?
Well, kind of like, is a lot of the stuff that you might need to replace pretty simple to like do yourself?
Yes, it's very easy actually. Replace the radiator. Here, let me bring it in and show you. I gotta say, you're being a very good camera person today.
Thank you.
Alright, so this right here, it's very easy to replace. All you do is undo these two screws and take that hosing off and you're good to go. Replacing this can be a little bit hard, especially, see that ball joint right in there? Yeah, alright. The camera's picking it up, right? Picking up right here where my finger is?
Yes, yes.
Alright. Well, that ball joint can be a little bit difficult to get into place, but it's really not that bad. And all around, it's a good, you know, beginner boat. Someday, pretty soon here, I'm gonna upgrade its radio and the ESC. Thinking a dynamite ESC will be good in it. All right, here, bring that camera right in to there, where its prop is, and watch it go. Ready? Can you see the prop?
Yes, I can see the prop.
All right, ready? Watch this.
So does this boat ever overheat?
If you don't have the radiator on it, yes, it will overheat. It's a 20-turn electric motor. You know, it's being kept inside a cabin, basically. And so yeah, it does heat. It does heat up quite a bit, and it doesn't really get a really cool effect without the radiator.
Where would you say is the best place to drive this boat?
A lake, an open lake.
Can it take on big waves?
It can, but I don't know if it will. I don't know how good it is. You know, I've had it take on good size waves, and it just seems to go up and over.
Can you drive this in an ocean?
Yeah, but I recommend doing that after the warranty expires is when you can do that, you know?
Okay.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And I hope you like the channel. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stop it.